helping us in doing several of our activities, mainly in the area of research, advocacy, capacity building, and so on. And in all these activities, we are very gratified and happy that we are training and doing capacity building of the in-house youngsters and making them as the leaders probably of tomorrow in the field of early childhood education. With these words, I would request Parul to quickly take us through the journey of the Center for Early Childhood Education, giving little glimpses of even what we are planning to do in the future. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Let me give you some glimpses of our center. Well, Center for Early Childhood Education and Development was launched on 12th October 2009, and at that time a panel discussion on understanding quality in early childhood education through multiple lenses was organized. Well, CSED actually has this single window approach, and it serves as a documentation, knowledge creation and theory building through longitudinal, multidisciplinary and multi-centric research. The second function of CSED is to serve as a technical resource for quality promotion and related capacity building for professionals, for parents, for community, for policy makers. The third function of CSED is to serve as a clearinghouse and repository of information or data on ECED. In CSED, we have first function, it is research, documentation and evaluation. So far, around 4 researches have been undertaken and 2 have been completed and 2 are ongoing. So the first one was a situational analysis in Nizamuddin Basti. It was funded by Aga Khan Foundation, and the report has been submitted to AKF. The second one is was on preparing teachers for early childhood care and education. It was co-funded by AUD and NCT. Currently, it's at the printing stage. The third one is on Linked for Learning, Action Research in Bihar. It is an ongoing project, and the project is supported and coordinated by CARE India. CSED has been strategically guiding the project as technical partner. The fourth one is exploring impact of early learning, socialization and school readiness experiences in preschool settings on educational and behavioral outcomes along the primary stage. In the last seminar, we have already shared with you the findings of the rapid survey. And this project is funded by UNICEF, World Bank, SERP, MHRD and UNESCO. The second function of actually the focal area of CSED is advocacy and networking. In this we have lecture series. The first lecture was the inaugural lecture was delivered by Professor Lillian Cat. She is an internationally known expert in ECE, and she delivered on early education, engaging children's minds and hearts. The second lecture was on ECED as a fundamental right, making it a reality, by Professor Shanta Sinha, and it was chaired by Professor Govinda on March 8, 2010. The third one was on the highs and the lows of ECE in India. It was based on 2 video clips which Miss Meena Swaminathan showed to us. And it was chaired, the session was chaired by Professor Shyam Menon, and it happened last year only on the same date.
Oh, same date?
Yeah, 12th August. The fourth lecture was delivered by Professor Ananda Lakshmi, and it was chaired by Professor Khalak Deena on 15th December 2010. She stressed on the fact that how important it is to take pictures of children in their natural settings. In order to capture their emotions and expressions, it is very important. The fifth one was a seminar. It was on